That's what it is. That's what we're start now. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, go. Let's sing the first one.
Okay.
1, 2, go.
Because if I do that, this is the sound. Assuming, for example, we studied Tyap sounds and we missed out sh. Assuming we missed out the sh sound. And then there's somebody called shan. How would you know it? We didn't identify it. And yet, there's somebody called shan. And then there's somebody called shan. What? So, that sh, we don't have it. If we don't have it, how are we going to write? I think there are problems. That's why list as many words as possible. And then from those words, when you pronounce them, you'll be able to identify the sounds. Are you hearing? Yashum. Okay, when you read Yashum, okay? Okay, Yashum is a name, but comprising of different sounds that have been put together to produce your name. Yashum. The first sound here is Yashum. The second sound here is Ya. Okay? The next one, of course, you can have the S separately as S. But when they come together with this H, it becomes sh. This one, E, and this one, that's one produces. So when you do that, you will now know, oh, you have the sound, you know. So that's how you collected all the words, you know, and then you collect all the sounds. When you think you have gone somewhere, you can now put together, you can arrange it the way you want. Then you say, oh, I have. Take notes. I forgot to tell you. It's not only the sound and singing. Even the way you write. Some people write from left to right. Some people write from right. Chinese, how do they write? From up, down. It's all what they have decided to do. So that's the first thing that you do. Identify all the sounds in that. The second one is how the sounds are produced. How you can hear me speaking. How is that produced? Yeah. And then finally, when you have collected all the sounds, you want to know their characteristics. You need to classify them. You know, it is like in biology. Biology is the study of life. There are different things that have life. Some are animals, some are plants. Even among animals, there are some that are herbivores, there are some that are omnivores, there are some that are carnivores, there are some that are fishes, there are some that are worms, there are some that are birds. On the basis of the classification, on the basis of their characteristics. Right. Now, the same thing with sounds. When you have collected all the sounds, you now have a take a look. Some have certain characteristics that they can be classified this way. Others have certain characteristics that can be classified that way. Now, we will go back a little. Explain. So these three items want to further explain. These three items. Okay? Now, when sounds are so, as we have said, phonetics have to do one thing, identify sounds. What are the sounds that are there? And we are only actually giving you two examples of sounds. Okay? We are giving you two examples of sounds. Like we said, there is a sound like this. Look. Now what happens in phonetics is that every sound, we try to give every sound a symbol to represent the sound. When I make a sound, can you see it? But you can do what? Yeah. Now, in order to be able to see what you are pronouncing, you give it a symbol. Now, in the case of this book, in the English language, right? In the English language, it is represented by that symbol. That is represented by what? That symbol. That is a sound like that. Ah. Ah. Can you see how my mouth is wide? it is represented by a symbol. So maybe the people that started studying linguistics and studying phonetics, alright? If they didn't have symbols, they say make a sound, we make a symbol, and so on. Okay? There is one, it's not there in your. That's the sound. But the symbol is what? That's English, so we just give them names in English. You know, in where is Ghanaian? Ghanaian? The book in Hebrew. What do you call it? Or Greek, and the name.
Okay, in Greek, it's beta.
Beta.
But in Hebrew, beta.
Beta.
Beta. Yes, B-E-I-T.
So this is English. How about Hebrew? How about the Hebrew?
Beta.
How about Hebrew? You say?
B-E-I-T, yes.
T, like that. But the sound is all one. Because this language is different from that language. So everybody has its name. But the sound is what? The sound is all one. Are you following? Yes. So, every language has its own unique sound system. Every language. There are some sounds that are similar, but there are quite a number that are quite different. I will give you some examples. I'm still waiting for. Now, what is there is this. Now we are correct. Whether in English or Hebrew, you have this sound, switch sound. Also in Tyap, we have this sound. We have all of these. So you can see in that wise, English, Hebrew, Greek, we are similar in these few symbols that we have. Okay? Very similar. But there are certain sounds in English which don't exist in Tyap. There are certain sounds in Tyap which do not exist in English or other languages. I will give an example. There is a sound in English. Right? I don't know how to do that. Like that. And it is. Okay. Okay. Like that now? Like that now? This is the big one. This is the big one. This is big. Yes, but you know when we are writing commonly, you don't use this. There's no novel in English which will see this sign, unless in mathematics. Theta. This is theta is actually a theta. Theta. The English probably did not have that. So instead of adopting this symbol, English probably did not have that. So instead of adopting this symbol, Tyap people, we don't have. Tyap people, we don't have why. What are they Tyap people? Tyap people. Hausa, Yoruba, Benin, and that's why when you say Hausa, Yoruba, Benin, that's why when you say how do you say it? How do you say it? Who is that? Who is that? Or who is that? Who is that? reason simply is that you don't have it. Or who is that? The reason simply is that or pronounce it properly as a Tyap, other people Nigerians pronounce it properly as a Tyap, other people Nigerians. The reason is we don't have a TH sound. That's the reason. The reason is we don't have a TH sound. We don't have a TH sound. You know, some people say with, okay? Which with you. And we also with my mother. Which with you. How do you say mother? With my mother. How do you say mother? You know, some people pronounce it as I am with my mother. With my mother. Pronounce it as I am with my mother. As so my mother. Simple reason. As so as. Simple reason. We have certain sounds that are not present in English or other languages. For example, in English or other languages. I will give an example. All right. Fuck, sound. Sound. English will go like that. Sound. If you tell an English man to pronounce it, you say, if you tell an English man to pronounce it, you say, this is everything that you will have that sound. But we don't have problem with that sound. But we don't have problem with that. Yes. So English they have it. No, they have it. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay? Like okay? This is that. If you ask, I think you want to pronounce that. If you ask, I think you will actually miss out. You say that. Yes. You will miss out. Yes. Tyap. Go there. Okay. Go back. Tyap. Yes. Go back.
We may have some words that we may have some words requiring anxiety, like anxiety, sound,
Silent. Pause. Silent. Always what? What to go to the general time. Once in a while. When we get articulation effects. Not one word, six words, and you not one word, but when you pronounce it together with another word following, we will hear as if the sound has changed. We will hear as if the sound has changed. Right? So please, these are things that right? So please, what we want to really sincere is that what language sincere is that we go off learning language program, so when we look at it, in one way of doing so the one driving is no take away that. Take away that. No, don't. Take away that. Take away key takeaway from this course is the key takeaway from this realization is that you cannot bring into the realization that you cannot bring into it. You must speak out the way you tap. You must write out the way you tap. Write it. You must write out. You must read it the way you tap. Write it. Read it. You must read it the way you tap. Read it. I don't know where I'm reading it. I don't know where I'm reading it. They will tell me that, oh, this is supposed to be like this. Don't be it. Cannot be telling no, cannot be training anything. So they agree and agree how. They've not been training anything. So they are right, they agree and agree how blindly. Right? So so I get all the sounds they happen. Like that. If you don't make that to identify as many aspects, when you come to writing that, English have 26, then not 26. For English, have 44, 46, 47, 48 sounds. And I think they are still doing more research. How they will discover more sounds in English than they are going to get more sounds. It will reach 50 or 61 if you do. Right? So, that is, if you have questions, say, right? The second aspect of this quality, right? The second aspect of this produce. The diagram produce. Very clear. If my diagram for the others, if my diagram for the others, so I can share. Now, how do you share? Now, how do you I want sounds. Watch it. All of it. I want to watch it. Watch it. All of it. Yeah, just share it. I want to all watch it. Yeah, just now here is like a sound. I want to all of that should be except that when all of that came, except just when the team was just yeah. And then suddenly the what? Listen. Yeah. Then suddenly the what? Listen. I can produce another sound. Another sound. Listen my lips. Can you see that? It's like a teeth. I go. But look at my chest area. Look at my chest area. Look at my chest area. I'm facing up there. So the mouth and the teeth when they blow, the air is flowing like air is flowing the there are times we kind of do out. There are times we kind of where is that coming out? Where is that coming out? You see that? Produce different sounds. Produce breathing contractions. Squeezing contractions. When I say quickly, when I say quickly. Quickly. How many sounds have I produced? What basically? How many sounds have I produced? 7 sounds. 7. I'll produce 7 sounds. 7 sounds. This one. And then you can see how many sounds for all of that. You can see how many sounds. Over 6 sounds. It's not one. 6 sounds. It's not right. But when I'm speaking, you will think it's one sound. But when I'm speaking, it's one sound. Yes. How many sounds are produced? Three. Okay. How about this one? Run. Okay. This is what? Okay. Okay. Move. Okay. So there are about 3 sounds here, 6 there. But when people speak, it is like it's one sound. When you say PAT. When we say what? But, right? But how many sounds are there? 3 of them. I hope we are following this. Very good. Now, have you looked at that diagram? Yeah. It is not for you to be able to draw it, it's just to have an idea how sounds are produced. It is not for you to be able to draw them. No, we are not doing biology, okay? We are not doing biology. Where is this? I'm not through with where are my papers? gotten page 12?
Yes, sir.
You have page 12?
Yes.
All right. You remember the question we asked? What is it that is studied in phonics? We said essentially three things. Identifying all the types of speech sounds in the language. So this is how speech sounds are produced. And then number two is to know the characteristics. And then which we use to classify speech sounds. Is that what we said? We have done the first. Not what speech sounds. The first major characteristic of speech sounds is whether or not air from, as I demonstrated to you, whether that air is restricted in some way or not. For example, when I say when you say when you see that all the air is what? No restriction, either from the chin, the mouth, or the nose, or the lips. All the air is what? Let go. Or, even little or no restriction. Can you see that? Little or no restriction. E or A, whatever it is. Little or no restriction. And then the second group of beliefs or knows there is some form of restriction in the movement of air. Look at that. Look. Can you see that the lips block the air before the air circulation? Can you see that the teeth kind of blocked it before it released it? Yes, I release it, but there is some restriction. So on the basis of whether air is restricted or not at all, or minimally restricted, speech sounds are classified into two broad categories. Number one, vowel sounds. If there is little or no air restriction. Consonant sounds. If there is some sort of restriction. So if I say do, is it a consonant or a vowel? Consonant. Consonant. Because you will see that the tongue or something like that, it will raise to the roof of the mouth. There was some form of restriction. If I say, can you see that? Both the lips and the teeth are kind of involved. So it is what? It's consonant. So these are the two broad categories. Are we okay? Are we okay? Now, these vowels and these consonants can further be divided based on certain characteristics as well. Let us start with the vowels. Let's start with vowels. There are vowels we call short vowels. Sometimes we call them basic vowels. Like A, O, A, E, U. And it's short. And you get it? Short. So they are simply called either basic or short vowel sounds. And for our purposes, we are mostly going to adopt what we use in Tyap, the way we write them in Tyap. Whether people may adopt other different ways, which we will let you know. Then there's a second category of vowel sounds. We call them long vowels. Long vowels. Alright? They are long because in fact they sound long. Instead of ah, you say ah. Instead of O, you say O. Instead of U, you say U. Okay? These are long vowels, which we adopt in Tyap. Now, before we proceed, we must quickly indicate. You remember we said that we don't see sound, do you? Okay, you don't see sound. You only hear them. So if you want to know the sound you hear, what do? You want to see. If you want to see it, what do? You write it down. Use a symbol. So we have what is called basic vowels. And we said they are either like that, that one, O, and U. Okay? A, E, O, U. In Tyap, we have variants of this. Okay? You know, you can see they are looking the same, but they are pronounced a little different. So this is up, 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 up. This is E, U, E, U. In Tyap, no, even for English. Okay? So don't worry about it. We are talking Tyap now. Now, we also said there are what they call long what? Long vowels. For this, when it becomes a long vowel, it becomes R, A, E, O, U. Okay? How do you represent that? Just double it. Right? If there's anything like that, I'm not sure. I'm not even sure we have what time is.
Like this song, just sound.
No, but
As
it's
to answer.
There's usually one.
it's one.
Yeah, but what if you are tracking it?
No, you don't. That is a song. It's just an echo.
Yes.
So it's not with that. You are producing a new word or letter. Okay? So, yeah. And here, when we come to do Tyap photography, we will follow the with examples. How can you use all these in order to write words, in order to read words? Okay? Alright? So these are long vowels. Then there are what we call diphthongs. Okay? Oh, I'm writing this correctly. Like that? Sometimes people call them what? Lines. Diphthongs or lines. And in this case, the examples have been like that. You can see that it's starting from one vowel sound to another vowel sound. So you are gliding from one to the other. That's why some people call them glides. But technically they are not as a difference. Are we following? What it is, if you want to follow this thing, you go to the university, you reaction. Okay? But these are just the basics. Right? Things like when it's not going to do anything like that. Okay? So these are different vowel sounds. Well, you know, okay, let me do something. In Hausa and English, they also have long vowels. But this is not how they pronounce the present it. Okay? This is not how they present it. Now let me write a word for you. What is that? In Hausa. Okay? There are different ways you can pronounce it. There's another one. Da. You know what da is? Da. Before. That's da. And I think that the A there is a double vowel, isn't it? It's a long vowel. In Tyap, we will say this. This is how we will write it. If it were Tyap, that's how we will write it. Da. But Hausa people, they don't write it that. What do they do? Anytime you see something like that, it is long. A long vowel. Da.
So is it the same as Jama?
Jama.
Jama. Where Jama? Eh? See. That is Jama. It's not.
Even the da, you have da.
Exactly. That is da. There must be an apostrophe. That is a house. Right? But what we are trying to do is to know how to represent long vowels in chapters. You know? For long vowels, what do? You don't double the basic vowels. Make it double, finish. Like don't, not, youth. Okay? Good. Are you getting it? Eh?
Chi.
Yes. Done. No, that's short. It's short, that's short. That's short. Done. It's not done. Swan. It's a different one now.
Swan.
Okay. Oh, okay. No, we're already going into not that. We will have ample examples for that. We will have ample examples. Because that is where I want to focus on. We'll be able to read and write exactly. Okay? Now we are through with the vowels.
Okay, and it
Short. Long. These are blanks. I believe you don't have trouble with that. Now the next type of speech sound are what? Consonants. Consonants. The ones we say there is restriction, some form of restriction when they are pronounced. Just as in the case of vowels, we're talking of consonant sounds. Okay? We also have basic consonants. And I'm sure all of you can give us. We are
examples.
and so on up to Z. Okay? Because this is
And so on up to Z.
books
Up to Z.
represented by
Okay? Because this is B.
now this is
B represented by this symbol. Now this is Ch. Later on we will dwell a little more about this symbol because it is a highly controversial symbol. Okay, we'll discuss about it. But for the meantime, just take note. Okay.
Okay?
D represented by that symbol.
This is another problem.
Okay.
Because
G.
if you pronounce
Now
it,
this is another problem sound because
and yet it is
if you pronounce it, it's like no blockage of air, and yet it is classified as a
because they classified it as a consonant. We too
consonant.
pronounce
This is where the British have confused us. Because they classified it as a consonant, we too, we produce it regard it as a consonant. But if we go strictly by that, what do you call it? By that definition,
And that's why sometimes you know so.
can you see that there's no restriction of air, and yet it is a what? A consonant. And that's why sometimes, you know, some European languages like French, even though they have the H, the sound, they don't pronounce it. They don't pronounce it ash, okay? Ash. Okay, in French, what? Ash. They don't pronounce it, but they don't, you know, like when they say l'hôtel, all right? Is that how you pronounce it? Write it. This is le. La, the. You know, all French nouns must be accompanied by an article. For whatever reason, we don't know. Okay? Now, some may be tempted to say hotel, like in English. You know, in English you say hotel. No, English don't say hotel, omitting the H. Whatever that, how they do that, we don't know. All right? Many things, it will continue like the J, the K, up to Z. These are basic what? Basic consonant sounds. Basic consonant sounds. But there are times when basic consonant sounds, they combine in twos or threes, perhaps even fours, I don't know, to make one sound. Sometimes. And we'll just be using that of Tyap so as not to be confusing ourselves. All right? Other people have their own ways of representing their own sounds. Now, those sounds that combine, when two sounds combine to make one sound, in English we call them digraphs. All right? Okay, are they diagrams or diagrams? Okay, with echo.
Yes.
Like that? No diagrams. Okay? Okay. These are consonants.
Okay, just I without A.
No A. I thought as much. I thought as much. Diagrams. Diagrams, not diagrams. Okay. Now, what are examples of diagrams? We have already seen them.
Okay?
Two consonant sounds. Okay? The two sounds there are t and s. T and s. Okay? They combine to make what? So that's a diagram. Any other one? What two sounds combine? Okay? Okay? How about that? Okay, run. Can you see that? All right. Okay, there's the echo. So, anyway.
Yes.
Oh, with or without?
Yes. In Greek, why?
Spelled D-I-A. I think it's good to, you know, the way I remember, when I say die, I remember two. When I say try, I remember three. Okay, so for me, I don't know what you want to adopt, but for me, generally I prefer it without the A because it helps me to remember. What?
So it died. Yeah, why?
No, the English confusion now. In the orthography, I told you that among all languages, the English orthography is the most confusing. I think you mean when you say education, when you want to spell education, at the end of the day, you at the end of that word, you think it is SION or even SHON. But they say no, it's not like that. It's TION. Why confusing us like that? Why confusing us like that? Even the education, I was thinking that it should be a Jew, AJU. But they say it's EDU. All right. So check the dictionaries, and I discovered they have one word with the GB, and all of you know it. Rugby. You remember rugby? Rugby. It has the GB, but I have not seen any other English word. No, Pidgin is an African language. I didn't get me. So I don't know where they got the word rugby. All right? Rugby. But typically, if you give an Englishman a word with GB, he will want to pronounce it like hey, okay, like baggy. You say baggy. Baggy. That's how you want to pronounce it. But for us here, we don't have that difficulty. It's what? Baggy. So these are examples of diagrams. Two sounds coming together to make how many? One. Now, let's be clear about this. Even in English, they have also two sounds or even three that come together to make one sound. Like when you say rough, rough. How do you spell rough? ROGH. So that in Tyap, all right, is that they don't pronounce it as all right? They pronounce it what? But see the confusion. Can you spell for me enough? How do you spell it?
Yeah, enough.
See, rough. Yeah, enough. Different combinations producing one kind of sound. That's the confusion you have in English. But we have plenty of these in English. When you say physics, can you see that? When you say pharmacy, how many sounds have come together to pronounce it, to produce that, the sound and the sound? That is in English. The same as fish.
Now, can you recall way back when we treated characteristics of a good orthography that, for instance, the word is what? Consistency. Are you consistent there?
No, not.
Very, very inconsistent. And yet this is what we were forced to learn. And we are still learning it. Yeah? And being proud of it. Okay.
Because I just discovered that even in the world, throughout, there is a GH, but it is not.
Hey, thank you. In fact, don't say true now. Just say true. Just say true.
Yes.
Don't say GH. It's not truth. You can see inconsistency at its words. True. Can you see that? Although. Can you see that? GH is not those. And even this all.
It is
H has become do.
This is bow. Then now, bow. It's still correct there.
Instead of O.
But you know what? It will go back to vowels. Can you see that? Plus. But look at that. O, the double O here is O. The double here is O here. The double O here is O. This is inconsistency at its worst. Yes. Alright? Now, in terms we want to avoid that, even if we cannot avoid it 100%. But we want to minimize it, okay? Are we together?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, so let's continue, see whether we can finish this. Now, if we have diagrams, we also have trigrams. In the case of trigrams, three sounds come together to make how many sounds? Make one sound. Do we have examples in Tyap? Okay. There is another one. Okay. Like a yi, a yang, a yui. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes,
Okay.
Are we using this for me? Or we are using this for this?
No, I use this.
Second one.
Okay.
Right? This is if you okay. This is the full meaning of a yi. I mean, it's full spelling. A yi.
That's why
Okay. If you write it that way, it will be a week. But we don't have that name.
what that is.
That's how you spell it.
Eh?
That's how you spell it.
Which one? Here. This one. This one. This one. This one.
It should be the first one.
No, probably not.
What we are missing the
It
British
should
like
be the
this.
first one.
This is the correct one.
It should be the first one.
Big river. This one. Big river. We don't have a word in fact like this. This is a U. Okay? U. Okay? Not a we. This is woo. Woo. Like woo. Wah. Whack. You know, all of this. You have the G-H-W. Wapang. Okay? So, any other one that we think we can add?
Ni jangan ngendo ni baba. Kat sini so kata semua.
Kajum.
There is this one.
What is your
Jien. Jung. Kajung. Can you see that? How did you spell your name? With the JH like that? Kajung. Aha, good. So, when you hear the J sound, it means there must be this HHY, JHY, J, because this is J, this is Y, J, okay? Anyway, that's how we decide to represent it. There's nothing that prevents us from representing it in any other way. But that is if we accept, all of us, in a Tyap land. You cannot all by yourself say, no, that's not the G sound should be represented. no matter how strongly you feel about it, you know, the majority will always carry the vote in this matter. And I want us to take this point very seriously.
No matter how strong.
Are you following me? Please, I want you to listen very carefully. You know, this is what we call when we're discussing the issue of acceptability. No matter how strongly you feel about how to represent a sound,
You know, I'm sure
if it is not accepted, forget it.
kick against.
Are you following me? Forget it. You know, you must follow what the generality of the people have accepted. You know, I'm sure some English people kicked against
Even though there are phonological problems,
that knife should be written that way.
don't change it.
But because
So knife.
the generality of the people say, no. It's okay. Even though there are phonological problems with it, you know, we are used to it, don't change it. So knife, if you write knife any other way, you are wrong in English. Okay? I want you to take that very seriously.
You don't have to classify them, they are simply called
Now,
special consonants. Like this one.
there are some
Done with the
consonants
classes.
that we don't know how to classify them. They are simply called,
With four.
Classes.
yeah, I think so, with 4 or 5.
Four straight.
In Tyap,
But if we find them,
I don't know. In Tyap, I don't think we have come across a word with,
remember that
I mean, a sound with 4 straight consonants. But if we find them,
human beings must identify all.
if we have them, we will include them all. Remember that I said, for a good orthography, it must be what? Accurate. It must be accurate, which means you must identify all the sounds. So it is still possible that there are certain sounds we have not discovered, even in Tyap. You know, so if we find a sound that has a combination of 4 sounds to make one,
Maybe those ones, extra graph.
exactly, that's it. Okay. So thank you for your observation. What do you call it? J, cajon, J, Jean, Jean, Jin, Jun. Okay? Jun. Okay? J. Okay? J. All right? That is tonal now.
So, where do we put the sound in
Which one?
different sounds?
How do you pronounce it?
So how do you read this as a problem?
Where do we
Okay,
put
that is
different sounds?
one. Okay?
There are 2 different sounds.
Whoop. Quack. Quack.
Where do we put the word yeah?
We didn't put it. I don't
Where do
know.
we put the word we?
Hui. Yes, no.
Yeah.
They are close.
Where do we put the word yeah?
Eh?
Yeah.
Hiak.
Okay, yeah. They are happening. But according to pronunciation,
Yes, they are close. Then, but they are not exact.
what about K
H.
H Y?
Like that.
K H, just like as Y. Put anything after K. You can use it for cancer.
Hey, what I'm saying is,
Like that.
Yes, K H Y.
This is now. K H Y.
Okay,
Is that what
you
it
can use
means?
it for cancer. Oh no.
What I'm saying is, okay,
and in the case of borderline cases, you have to make a decision.
okay, later.
How do you present
You know, in every language and every orthography, there are always borderline cases.
this? We,
And in the case of borderline cases, you have to make a decision. How do we represent this? We have adopted that. Even though they are, it's close to, where do we say, here? Sounds like there's a cave, isn't there? But we have not adopted that. No, maybe it should have been like that. Here. But we have not adopted
No,
that.
there is
So if I am writing
you
the
know,
word
some people
Asia,
say,
Exactly now.
Asia, there shouldn't be
some
a
people will say that.
Okay.
there is a yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Even though there is as if some people even say, I don't get me.
Since we don't have K,
Some people even say that, like, where do we get
Like I said,
uh,
what is the
we
agreement among the
what, that we should remove this?
Remember acceptability?
yes. Since we don't have K here, it should be so.
I don't get me. So, but like I said, what is the agreement among the Tyap people?
Phonology
Remember
and
acceptability? Acceptability. But that doesn't mean that
that we should change
that doesn't mean that
that.
if somebody has a genuine reason
It is not
phonologically,
among
to argue very strongly and convincingly that we should change this to that. Okay? If he's lucky and he brings it among, let me say, a council of elders, and it is accepted, so be it. If it is refused or rejected, okay? Because if we are to go back, virtually all the English dictionaries will be thrown out. But they have accepted the way things are written.
So before we go, it's already 1 o'clock.
Yes.
I am actually thinking of the case of the needs.
The what?
We are going to talk about needs.
Niece.
Yeah. Asking
Or who could?
as if like we have four consonants,
Okay.
four consonants.
Yes.
Because it's K, it looks like K. Okay, but that would be three still.
It's still 3. Right. So that's what I'm saying. The date, needable, I've not seen. I've not seen. But if research eventually discovers, we will bring it in. No problem. Nothing is at its end up to now. Are we together? Let's continue because I must finish quickly now. Okay, special consonants. You can see that these ones, most of them, they involve the nose. Any wonder that some people think that we are related to the Chinese? So have people contacted you like that? Guangzhou, okay? Beijing, okay? Kajang, very good. So these are some of the words, okay? What? Chong, Adiaman Chongbang, Manchong. So these sounds are very common in Tyap. Chung, chung, Kila, chung. Okay, let me tell you something. Yes, chung. Chung.
Okay, sorry. Make mistake. That's a W. Okay. Okay. Then there is.
Okay, sorry. I made a mistake here. There's a W.
Now you see this one?
And there's a
They are all very
Sum.
similar, but they are different. Okay. Let me. Somebody pronounce
Then there is. See these ones? They are all very similar, but they are different. Let me. Can somebody pronounce that? Sum. That's killer. Killer. Chung. Talk about chung. There is chung. Chung sop. Yes. Chunganiadma. When people gather in a thicket. You are right, oh. Chung. Crowd. Quantity in one place. Even quantity together. Are you getting me? No, that's joke as a quote. That is joke as a quote. Even if it is grass, for example, all growing together in a thicket like that, this is chungakop. Chungakop. Chunganiat. All right? when they are all together in one mass. Chung. But you know, you can say chung.
Okay?
What is chung? That thing you put your arrows. Chung. 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 Okay? Quiver, that's the word. Sung. Yeah, this is sung. This is sung.
So the crowd followed him.
Sung.
And he told his
Sung.
disciples,
What is sung?
get something for them to eat. And they said,
You know, when Jesus Christ saw the crowd following him,
he prayed
and he told his disciples,
they ate.
get something for them to eat. And they said, haba, we don't have much. They got ankifi, the amurodi. Okay? But he prayed and something happened. And they ate, and they remained about 12 or so baskets. So, soon, soon, it means that you consumed until everybody was satisfied and there were leftovers. This soon,
They look similar.
we ate to our satisfaction. We consumed to our satisfaction. Are you getting me? So you can see that these words, they look similar, but the spelling is a little slightly different,
Alright?
and their meanings are quite different. Sung,
Right?
sung, sung, sung. All right? These are things that you have to learn, gradually. All right? Okay, so
So,
special. Man.
nice.
I have You have to say and then the man. So that brings it. Nine. Now you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful.
So there's a word like this.
Is I. So this is a phrase,
There's a word like that.
not one word.
They may sound as if they are pronounced.
But there is a word like this.
Okay. Nine.
Okay, there's a word like that. They may sound as if they are pronounced the same way. Okay? Okay. Okay. Nine. Yeah. Okay. Exactly. But you can say, in Tyap come Jini, unsen nine so. Unsen nine. All right? So you know you have to be very careful the way you apply them.
Have you heard that?
Okay? We have already done that.
Fun. There is this. Fun.
Sung. Kwang. Can you hear that? Fun is this one. Fun. There is this. Fun. What's that? Fun. To chase after. But when you say fun, what's that? Pass. Can you see? That
What do you call it?
Fun, that's the short one. You are chasing after somebody. Fun, that is force. From your what do you call it? Your wound. Are you following me? Right. Now we still have consonants. Consonants.
And then consonants followed
By a W.
this kind of
Okay?
are
And then consonants followed by a Y.
you may not find it there.
These kind of consonants are known as labialized consonants. Labialized. You may not find it there. Oh?
This one's the one followed
Eh?
by Y.
Don't worry, because we are not really doing. They're actually known as labialized consonants.
Now we can have
These ones, the ones followed by Y, are known as palatalized consonants. Labialized, palatalized. Now we can have examples of that, like whack, BW, whack, okay, What else?
That's the BY now.
Quat. Okay? Quat. KW. Quat.
Wait, is that
K-
BW?
and who? Quat. Eh?
Here, that's BY.
Biat.
One.
That is a BY now. Biat. Boy, exactly. BW.
No, there's no W there.
Diop, that's BY. Buon, that's BW. Exactly. Walk. Book, no, there's no W there. That one is. Okay, book. Very good. Book. A book. Wait, are you following us? Are you following us? Yeah, because I don't want anybody to be left behind. If you have problem, just ask. Eh? Book. No. That is. Wait. There is walk. There is book.
The instance of Zong,
Zong is like that.
Can you see Zong?
Now, no, somebody is asking about walk. Now, this is walk.
U-O-K.
Walk. Can you hear that it is much even longer? This one is walk, very short. This one is a little longer. This is much longer. Can you hear that? Walk. 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 This one. So we don't even have that word in here. We don't even have the word.
So, are we together?
To the best of my knowledge, anyway. Walk. Okay. So, are we together?
Yes.
So, let me now. We talked about alphabet. We talked about orthography and alphabet. What really is the difference? Okay? We say that orthography is the writing system of a language or the spelling system of a language. Now,
This house will have its symbol. That's a single symbol. Means that this GW, you have just a single symbol. Okay? Now, if you were to do that, how many would your symbols? Huh? How many would they be? Because remember when we started with the vowel sounds, basic consonants, long consonants, diphthongs, that each of those ones should have a single symbol, which we write. But no. And similarly, the consonant sounds, all these basic sounds, they already have a specific symbol. But that unidigrams, trigrams, special consonants, consonants followed by W, consonants followed by Y, that each of them should have a special symbol. And then you line them up all and ask your children to learn them. Can you see how long it will be very long, isn't it? In fact, our alphabet even extend up to 100 letters. So, but instead of doing that, as we have seen, or as I've told you, in the English language there are only 26 basic letters, each of them with a basic sound. All right? But we also said that in the English language there are up to 44 or even up to 48 sounds, basic sounds. So instead of writing all those 48 or 44 basic sounds as your letters of alphabet, no, you don't do that. What you do is, if you have a special sound that is not among these ones, what you do is you combine the sounds, either as long vowels, diphthongs, or in case of consonants, you can combine them as digraphs or trigraphs or special. But all of this, as you can see, is found in the letters of the alphabet. S is found there, isn't it? K is found there. K is found there. K is found there. B is found there. All of them. There is none here that you will check and you will not find that it is in the approved alphabet. I get you. So what you will do therefore is you will choose the basic ones and you arrange them in order, in an agreed order, like A, B, C, D up to Z. You don't say F, E, Z, M, and so on. No, that's not acceptable. It has to be A, B, C, D, E, F, up to Z. That is what we call alphabetical order. And that's why it is called alphabet. Alphabet. Okay? Alpha is from Greek, am I right?
Yes.
Alpha, meaning the beginning. Bet is the second one, which is beta. Okay, so they don't shorten this to become alphabet. Remember, in the Greek, and each language has its own order. The Greek alphabet is not like the English. They didn't arrange it like the English. As a matter of fact, it's like O, Omicron. That is the last one. Am I right?
No, it's omega.
Omega. Thank you very much. Omega is the last letter of the Greek alphabet. And that's why in the English New Testament, I think they translated it from Greek, you know? Yeah. They will say Alpha and Omega.
In English, you say the beginning and the end.
Beginning and the end. If the New Testament were initially written in English, it would not be Alpha and Omega. It would be A Z. Or A and Z. Because yeah, what? And like A and the Z. Are you following this? You have to understand some of this history so that you follow what is the meaning of Alpha and Omega. Simply means beginning and the end. Nothing is outside it. Are you following me? So, you use your orthography to write your language to guide you in writing and spelling anything. But the alphabet helps you, when you want to construct, let me say, to construct a sound which is not among the basic ones. Like book. We don't have a special symbol for book in Tyap. So what we do is we take book and book. We combine it to form a book instead of creating a new symbol. I hope this is very clear. It's not confusion. Okay, now. So there is a lot of confusion on this thing. Bob here. Sambab. Bam. Okay? Now, please take note. I want you to take note. I want us to take note very carefully, alright? Now, good is the sound. Good is the sound. Okay? The name the English people have given this sound is what? G. Okay. What do you call it? The Greek have given this sound. Good. Gamma. They call it comes. English they call it what? G. Tyap, what do we call it? G. G. The sound is the same.
In Hebrew, it is Gimel.
That is of the email, okay. Which one is gamma?
Green.
Oh,
Green.
okay. In Hebrew, they give this sound a name. Hebrew, it says what? Email. In Greek, they call it gamma. In English, they call it G. In Tyap, we call it E. Every language, but the sound is the same.
Yes.
Are you following me?
Yes.
Now, when you take look and place it next to look, that's the sound. Look, it becomes look. But this good sound in English is called what? E.
Yes.
Alright? In Tyap we call it what? B. In Hebrew it's called what? Bet. In Greek it is called what? Beta. Everybody with the way you want to call it. Are you following me? Please, let's get that correctly. Attached to your handout for the purpose of comparison. Number one, we have here the English.
I hope you are not trying to finish everything today.
No, not this is the end.
Because I am only wondering that when next you are coming,
We have another thing to do.
you'll be going out.
We have other things to do. We will finish on time, which I don't think.
Yeah.
Eh? You know, so you can see here, you know, a table, you can see later the way the letters are written. You can see the name of that letter, the way it is pronounced. A, C, C, E, up to Z or V. Now, you see, you know, some people say Z, some people say Z. You see, American English is Z. English is what? Z. But over there, the actual sounds are different. If you move on to the next page, and the very next one, too, you will see that
Very next one too, you will see that
use what you have, okay,
the
and
Tyap, Zunzo Tyap, okay, and the alphabet, Tyap alphabet. You know, you see how it is written just exactly like the English, no? Except two letters, X and Q, or Q and X. Because we don't have any word in Tyap so far, as we know, that has that sound of Q, Q, or X. We don't have it.
we can represent this by K, Y, U. This way. Q, T. Yes, good. Yes, good. Don't forget it. Don't forget it, good. You know, even in English, or Hausa, kak. So, kak. Okay? So, but you know the thing that there's no point. You know, KW. Okay? I represent that Q. Right? KW.
Was just of recent, Hausa just introduced.
Oh, they introduce it. They are following Arabic. They want to look like Arabic. Alright. Now the last one, and I think the very last thing. The very last one. Are we together? The very last one. It's not meant for you to learn. I believe it. The very last one. It's just for you to know that there's a comparison to have a comparison. The Greek alphabet. Okay? It's just for you to have an idea. But nobody saying you should learn that. Alright? That's the Greek alphabet. You know, just as the Greek alphabet, the English alphabet, Japanese people they also have their own. But remember, most important, that it is the orthography that guides you in the reading and the writing of our language. So, I think we need to stop here. So much.
Does it mean that in Hebrew, for instance, like you said about Tyap, in Hebrew, there's actually they have NQ
Yes.
in Hebrew,
Yes.
but there is no C in Hebrew.
Okay, the way we have it.
Yes, there is no C in Hebrew. But what they do a lot of time is
cheat sound.
No, they don't.
They don't have to cheat sound.
No, they don't in Hebrew. So what they do in the end is if you have a name, especially in English language, in which CH is represented. Even if you want, that we use in English, Mala. So in the reading is actually like in Hebrew. You know, in the end in English, we have a C, H, and I. But in the Hebrew, it is not. It is just a K.
Just a K.
Yes, just a K. But the K is not in such a way that it is actually having the original K sound. It is actually something sounding like yes, like an KH or something like that. So in Tyap, I'm actually thinking, since we do not have Q, K, probably if we have a word that sounds any word.
Like
What? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. That fishing device. That fishing is
You can see that there's a U there. Let me write it for you. I think we have finished this, but the discussion is scheduled progress for me, okay? Like I said, when we come to we will illustrate all of what we're talking about. When we come to photography, are you getting me? We will illustrate this with various examples. You know, this is Oito. I didn't have it in short. Now, Oito. Now, you know this word can mean two things.
yes.
Yeah, we found it. And this one is high, Oikyo. What is Oikyo? Oikyo. It's the second one. Exactly. The class that you bring to adults. For that, like a cure. But a cure is wife. Yeah, a cure. Who is your wife? A cure means wife. A cure, human amount. How many children does your wife have? A cure. Yes? What is a cure? That's father. A cure is wife. So one of the first one. A cure. A cure is a fishing net. You know, in those days, you put it. You know, in those days, that fishing net, the way you construct it, you know it along. Any fish that gets into it, okay, please, let's clear confusion. Sorry, let's listen. Okay, you know, I think we actually getting it's like you want us to finish everything today. are getting ahead of us. Don't worry. We'll get to that.
And again,
Especially-
some questions are not supposed to come during the classes. You can meet an individual. To avoid instruction. To avoid instruction.
But actually, if we have the opportunity and the time, we would be allowed to ask just information.
Yeah.
So,
Because when it's
let's
hot,
Okay, sir.
when it's hot, you know, you
I
have
ask
to
a
say
question. When I go this Ale shi mun gota.
as we progress. So, but then
But yeah, okay, that can you. Yeah.
yes.
Well, you bang a seat, you know.
So please feel free to ask your questions. If I don't know, I'll tell you I don't know. I don't know if you want
Yes.
It's not that everybody has reached the end of it. No, not at all. Not at all. There are many things that you know where I don't know.
So Manika jadi tak okay miti swang na among of fam our okay to amyanja
Okay, from saying what
sayang buat miti swang
anyway I watch.
so kumyum the kaya mama ziyan Manika bangsita swang swang so manang ziyan ini Chan ka changa so yok bunai zira buat yo
Seminar, it's super one thing. Put participe à cela il va en continuer à tu vois qu'il y a une information le bureau de bon tout ça
Kankai ni huwacha na jomi au alafu asicho ana polisi Manika zishia swama nyuma Manika kumye da zina shia susot saja so anye naibia na shia sojun so Manika zina nye zina bia ya kwaga son mukum jam sot zina kap awat zibia nyu atat bia Manika Mbama okay zibia susot saja so kula kya ye chacha kula kya se chacha so Manika yozanyani nanju ipadu so zibia sojun on so swam on so tat zibia anye na ya Manika nanya ni yozitia anapa mkuzan so anali kasa anashia so anaboli kalju anashia so ayamali Tyap abang baba yang Yazna ma samba so actually ina ni yo madam itu ina nare ni so actually yashi anashi sosai actually sampai anashi do so sajin Or what actually Richard? Okay. Okay. So actually Baba Alio Tiabang Angka Alio Tiabang Alio Tiabang Alio Angka Dito Again Alio Angka Dito Nanti alam mo dyan Kai You are in Dogar Baba Kaya Diego Aba 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 o I share this for you Ronald Oh, it's Richard I share the so swam Non Julian Captain Richard Oh actually Genesis actually Shan oh So actually Mashan I share this sort Sanja or over I share this sort
Then mana mengasyum
So
weird what?
Actually
Weird. Nanti mak angkau ni dia maya ke dia.
That is not your computer. It's not your computer. Not that. Kalau kita position now. So nanti ka video ada na yaji ada na mana ni di kamu nanya bang ne mau pun mau menikah trong junja mang
Swayang buat menciari.
okay trong swayang buat itu
Memang
bang
from swayang buat menciari
so menikah trong swayang buat menciari who trong jung mang so bang na chắc ne menikah chắc ne menjadi this menjadi ni pada this semua program ni Pokoknya awak buka bel yang bu mau ke depan. Karena sabu ke depan. Ngamut. So asyik show Zumuan ayah pandang pandang son zuban Zumuan Aisyah awalnya kai pada son ne susah
Rumah ni ba, kedua ini juga dah bisa ba.
So zina share kide the ka new mukuzan short drug punya musoji na mota sa bude kita ka dia tu berubah pollution so ya apa ke sang zupa bibia ye berubah nanti dia jika physician anaba bayan ya apa ke sana so banapon bapak kamu naik menikah dia Zubai mun attend shower otonka zikiya son on jebu zuko yin sana for jebu ni or I ogozo bom jangan aku ada Biar cek bang, memangku, bisa kian punya mana? Zina ya semua kian nam zupai yang aju cak. Okay, yeah. So you wanna cut what? Tonka, I think walk up by the house. It's one of nice comfort. Nanya for musuhnya kami. Terus berarti
Don't you want to jump on your
Som sven, zna more for him. So zibia for taken Vontanias here or znak suna znanie ofuneni. Kwanza znak jak miti swampen ya kuza or znak ayakana competition. Znak ayakana. And so Monica Mudia so Zipia Twat Nilian Twat Nilian Twat so there are Zipia there are one of the Ayu or part of the Dada or Tyap Nilian Twat or Sugar or the Twat. So this is your program, but your program.
It's now Victoria again. I'm the chess bar.
Okay, check. So Monica, the beer will do. Scramble. Scramble. Yeah?
But you're here, I'm for you.
So this is your, I guess we don't show it. Rubik's Cube. Okay. Rubik's Cube. Rubik wired a tool or Cube wired a matana. Cube. Okay. A matana could be square or square or cube 3D and 2D square or cube so square, as we do, nearly, square wall, I went there and square. But those in Cuba. So also like Cuba Rubik. The Asumiya Cube Rubik was Sunisia Judge. This is your what? For a phone, phone. Nika soju yaman yang ada kasan atau lidonte atau liabang atau liwaka soju so yang nabali kaju atau liashu atau lidichat yang di kaca. Kaca apa? Sotak. Yang lipat kaca. Sotak. Atau disakuan. Atau bisa mau coba. Ya kau gesok. Di pasang ina termasuk di ina form sosial. Ina mwanga Sebenarnya kacau. That's round kacau. Anyway, you've won. You've won.
So you can from Tanzania, you can get a 27 year. You can walk on down to an answer. When you shot, Saji, first group came. Kaniba, when you are not that you Saji or Parashon. That's a short Saji Kani. They are Parashon, that's a short sort of a family. They are not drafted. You forgot the one shot saying, a sort of a plan back in it. So that a person can't go even that. You go out and tell the person, as a media, but you're not shelling your wish of a jam. Candiba, why not shot the young person and you're a tablet, so Tati, or person that she can naturally. Was not shot, Munatu, your human. So the beers why you're talking like a one in your taba, and it's so sad. But I see my general fair well than it. Again, you're a shot inside your general fair. A one match so young, but I'm so a near a fair. So you don't such a natural view. So I don't have to be your social, what you are not to be you. And by such you, there's a social, that's a view. That's a job. Anyway, You find it, young ones. I'm young man. I can't sing. I didn't know. Should be. Lamsha. Haba kai. Ka san ka fi sirrin miliyan ba ta. Ina san zan yi mana fi.
Kan para miliyan ya. Ini dia kasar Maria. Ojo Wiki mau ini Pak, nak kamu aja Pak.
Ini Pak, kami mau ini kan yang Pak.
Mas itu kau ni semua jauh sekali.
Ada aku punya guys. Tak cuma kumpul terdengar mana nan jaga.
Ali jangan dia buat cara dia terus. Oke, coba. Siap. Sudah yang apa?
Ada yang apa? Yang apa bosnya? Ama jam dong.
Dia macam ni. Sebut ni orang tu Pak. Ni orang semua.
Wait, one to me. Leave that one. I'm not going to see any answer.
I don't know. You want to get back? You want to get that? This is not like. We went down.
found an engineer. She was going to do a shadow. Guy, I'm the she was going to go. That was she was not going to die. When you're not young, I'm not young.
So among so that
Bien, voilà.
is it about bomb? Mom so that but with some quiet man actually Wikipedia Tyap. Wikipedia Tyap. Nyawa dia cabi, nyawa dia apa aja cabi. Dia semua.
Sampai pada ya, sampai ya. Yang sebenarnya mana yang panuan? Ayah gua sampai panayan dengan kau. Jadi awal yang berarti. Anda sudah yang mengayan. Sampai waktu apa yang nanti yang syukur. Ada yang jangan.
Yes, but that general this child number. Yes, BST. And jump British summertime. British summertime. British child. Yes. Yes.
Gen Wiki Gen Wiki.
Okay.
Tôi có những món tôm